Sciences, the Apollo University, Chittoor. Worked as a director, Sri Venkateswara Group of Educational Institutions, Chittoor, Andhra Pradesh. Worked as a principal professor, Sri Venkateswara College of Pharmacy, Chittoor, Andhra Pradesh. Sir awarded PhD in the year 2009 in Pharmaceutical Sciences from the University College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Kakata University, Warangal, Telangana. Completed B Pharmacy in the year 1998 and M Pharms in the year 2000 from the Tamil Nadu Dr. MGR Medical University, Chennai. Sir has rich teaching and research experience of more than 23 years and published more than 150 research publications in high impact referred national and international journals. 3 reviews and book chapter and patent filed and published 10. Sir have totally patents granted 3. Received University Best Teacher Award from JNTU, Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. Sir selected as a member, scientific panel, scientific expert committee, functional foods, nutraceuticals, dietetic products, and other similar products by FSSAI, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, New Delhi, Government of India. For the second term of the period of 3 years from January 2023 to December 2025. Member, National Assessment and Accreditation Council, NAC, Panel Health Sciences. Okay, Sir act as a reviewer in various international journals like JCR, IJP, TDIP, LHD, JOM, etc. Sir visited several countries for academic and research purpose like Brazil, China, Thailand, Uganda, Sudan, Uzbekistan, Nigeria, Kenya, South Sudan, Ethiopia, Gambia, Senegal, and UAE. This is a brief introduction, sir. Welcome, sir, for this FDP session. I'm delivering session to Professor Dr. K. Bhaskar Reddy, sir.
Okay, thank you. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Audible, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Sudarshan, for your kind introduction.
Welcome, sir.
And first of all, I would like to screen. Can you see my screen? See the screen? I mean, the PPT.
No, sir. Screen is not shared, sir.
I already shared, no? Now?
Now it is sharing, sir. Share it, sir.
Okay. So, okay. So, first of all, I would like to thank Dr. Nataraj, Principal of Shri Vishnu College of Pharmacy, for inviting me for this faculty development program, and also thank the management for inviting me for this faculty development program. And I also appreciate the organizers of this faculty development program for choosing such a wonderful topic, which is a need of our uh, in the field of pharmaceutical sciences. So the topic is challenges and innovative solutions in drug discovery and development. So, introduction to drug discovery and development. Drug discovery is a systemic process aimed at identifying new medications to treat diseases. So, generally, it involves several stages, as you all know, including the target identification, lead compound discovery, preclinical testing, and clinical trials. So, the first one, which I could say, is the target identification. Researchers identify a biological molecule, example, a protein, take a protein gene linked to a disease that can be targeted by drugs. And the next one is lead compound discovery. See, there are thousands of chemical compounds which are screened to find the potential candidate that interact effectively with the target. And next is preclinical testing. Selected compounds. See, from the lead compound discovery, the selected compounds undergo laboratory and animal testing to assess safety. One second. to assess safety, efficacy, and pharmacokinetics. So the final one is the clinical trials. One second. Yeah, sorry. So it's a clinical trials. Drugs are tested in humans through three phases to confirm safety and effectiveness before regulatory approval. So this process is highly time consuming. As we all know, the process is time consuming and expensive. Often it takes 10 to 15 years and they costing billions of dollars. So collaboration between academia and industry helps drive innovation and improve efficiency. So the advances in artificial intelligence, big data analytics, and gene editing technologies are playing a crucial role in accelerating drug development and increasing success rates. So there are challenges in drug discovery. These are the key challenges in drug discovery. High failure rates, that is, more than 90% of drug candidates fail to make it through clinical trials due to inefficacy, toxicity, or any unforeseen side effects. And lengthy timelines, that is, extensive timelines. It takes over a decade to bring a drug from initial discovery to the market, delaying treatment availability. So one minute. So sorry for the inconvenience. I had some important call. Can you hear me?
Sir, you are audible, sir.
Yeah, yeah. So next is the one second. So we are talking about the key challenges. So we talked about the rising cost. The cost of developing a single drug can reach up to $2.6 billion. due to extensive research, regulatory requirements, and clinical trials. So next is the regulatory and ethical complexities. We have a lot of regulatory and ethical complexities. Regulatory and ethical challenges. Approval processes involves, I think, several steps and rigorous scrutiny to ensure safety, adding layers of complexity and prolonging the time to market. Difficulty in identifying novel targets for complex diseases, such as, for example, we can take neurodegenerative disorders and rare genetic conditions. They lack well-defined druggable targets. It's innovations in drug discovery. You see nowadays, everyone speak or discuss always about AI, artificial intelligence in drug development. See, artificial intelligence and machine learning enable rapid identification of potential drug candidates by analyzing vast data sets. See, we have a huge data where it will be easy for analyzing at a faster rate. High throughput screening, automated techniques are now available, and this will allow scientists to test thousands of chemical compounds efficiently to find promising drug candidates. Gene editing tools helps create precise disease models, facilitating targeted drug development. And advancement in computational biology and bioinformatics, where you have advanced computational methods which will help to predict how drugs interact with biological systems by reducing reliance on traditional trial and error methods. Big data analytics. By integrating genomic, proteomic, and clinical data, researchers can make better predictions about drug behavior and patient responses. So now what are the challenges in lead compound identification? See, many compounds. First one, difficulty in optimizing compounds for potency and selectivity. Many compounds show weak or non-specific interactions with biological targets, making optimization challenging. So next one, limited availability of diverse chemical libraries for screening. A lack of diverse chemical structures in screening libraries can hinder the discovery of novel drugs. And need for high throughput screening limitations and false positives. Some compounds may initially appear effective, but later fail due to toxicity or lack of efficacy. So this used to happen in uh, many cases. So initially you will have a positive result, and later on, during later stages, we'll have a lot of deficiency, and thereby we have to withdraw the product. So need for better computational models for predicting efficacy. The predictive algorithms still require refinement to accurately determine a compound's effectiveness. Balancing pharmacokinetics and toxicity profiles in early stages. See, developing compounds with optimal solubility, bioavailability, and toxicity profiles is a significant challenge. So, next one is the innovations in lead compound identification. Artificial intelligence driven molecular modeling to identify promising candidates. AI algorithms predict the most promising drug candidates by analyzing molecular structures. Virtual screening methods are also available where the computational tools help screen vast chemical libraries without physical experimentation. Natural use of natural products and synthetic level for better diversity. Researchers are revisiting plant-derived and microbial compounds for novel drug candidates. Automatic or automated robotic screening to increase the efficiency and accuracy. High-speed automated systems enhance efficiency in drug screening and validation. Structure-based drug design, advanced techniques such as X-ray crystallography, cryo-electron microscopy provide insights into drug target interactions, improving lead optimization. So now, what are the challenges in preclinical development? See, the translational gap between animal models and human response. See, results from animal models do not always translate accurately to human responses. This, I think, everyone will agree. Most of the results which we get from the animal models will always not correlate with the human models. So, ethical concerns surrounding animal testing. The use of animals in drug testing raises ethical questions and faces increasingly regulatory restrictions. Nowadays, the Institutional Animal Ethical Committee and the CECSCA is very stringent on usage of animals, and they raise a lot of questions before uh, giving approval. High cost and time required for preclinical validation. Preclinical validation requires expensive infrastructure and long testing periods. Toxicity predictability. Toxicity unpredictability. Many drugs that pass preclinical testing still fail due to unforeseen toxic effects in humans. So this is what we discussed. See, though we get good results in the preclinical studies, but when it goes to the human study, there is a lot of difference. So regulatory hurdles for approving new testing models. Strict guidelines must be followed for preclinical studies before regulatory bodies approve human trials. Innovations in preclinical development. Organoids and 3D cell culture models improving human relevance. So these models mimic human tissues more accurately than traditional 2D cultures. AI-powered simulations reducing reliance on animal testing. Computer models predict drug effects, reducing dependence on animal testing. As you all aware of these microfluidic chips, which enables rapid drug screening. See, organs on chips. You heard these organs on chips. Miniature devices replicate human organ functions, improving preclinical testing reliability. CRISPR for developing genetically accurate disease models. Gene editing tools, which we already discussed, gene editing tools allows researchers to create precise genetic models of diseases for more accurate testing. Biomarkers, discovery, improving early toxicity detection. Early toxicity detection or early detection of toxic markers can prevent late stage failures. Challenges in clinical trials. Low patient recruitment and high dropout rates. See, finding suitable patients and ensuring long-term participation is difficult. See, it is there always. We could not able to maintain the consistency of the patient. So there is a lot of patients going out, and maintaining the same patient is also difficult. High cost associated with large-scale human testing. Clinical trials can cost hundreds of millions of dollars. It's very, very expensive. Stringent ethical and regulatory requirements. Ethical concerns and compliance with global regulations pose additional obstacles. These are all big challenges what scientists faces. Placebo and control group challenges. Ensuring unbiased results while maintaining ethical considerations is complex. Data integrity issues trial result reproducibility. Ensuring reliability and replicability of trial outcomes remains a major challenge. Now we will see the innovations in clinical trials. Decentralized clinical trials leveraging telemedicine. So remote monitoring and virtual consultations improve patient accessibility. Remote monitoring and virtual consults improve patient accessibility. AI-based trial optimization. Artificial intelligence helps identify suitable participants, reducing time and costs. Adaptive trial designs. Trials can be adjusted in real time based on preliminary findings, enhancing efficiency. Use of wearable devices for real time data collection. Real time health monitoring improves data accuracy. Blockchain technology enhancing data security and transparency. So, secure, transparent, and tamper proof data storage enhances credibility. So, one minute, I'll just. Excuse me. So, next we will see the challenges in drug regulatory approvals. Complex and evolving global regulatory requirements. That is complex global regulatory landscape. That is requirements differ between agencies, FDA, EMA, CDSCO, leading to delays because there are many regulatory authorities controlling this. So the procedure varies from regulatory body to body. So this leads to delay. Variation in process, approval process across countries. So time-consuming documentation compliance. So regulatory fee and quality assurance process increases the costs. High costs of regulatory submissions and inspections. Post-marketing surveillance obligations, increasing work. The ongoing safety monitoring adds further responsibilities. Innovations in drug regulation. Artificial intelligence driven automation of regulatory documentation. See, automates paperwork, speeding up of approvals, harmonization of approval process across agencies, which were discussed earlier, FDA, EM, CDSCU. Efforts to standardize regulatory process can reduce redundancy. Real world evidence accelerating approvals using real world patient data to expedite the approvals. Fast track approvals, priority reviews for breakthrough drugs improve accessibility. So digital health applications aiding regulatory compliance. So, so challenges in drug cost and accessibility. High cost of new drugs leading to affordability issues. Pricing strategies influenced by R&D expenses at patent. Lack of access to life-saving drugs in developing countries. Supply chain disruptions affecting availability. High cost of biosimilar production. Despite regulatory incentives. Innovations in drug affordability and access. Drug repurposing. Reducing development costs, generic and biosimilar competition, lowering the prices, government subsidized and price control policies, AI-driven supply chain optimization, reducing wastage, crowdsourcing and global funding for essential medicinal research. Role of AI and big data in drug development. As AI algorithm predicting molecular interactions is faster than, as we all I think you all accept this, AI algorithm predicting molecular interactions are faster than traditional methods, and also the big data analytics identifying patterns in disease and drug processes. AI-powered virtual trials, reducing need for large patient groups, machine learning models optimizing clinical trial recruitment, data integration from multiple sources, improving efficacy prediction. So, nanotechnology in drug delivery, nanocarriers enhancing targeted drug delivery, reduction in size effects through reduction in side effects through controlled drug release because of the reduction in usage frequency and usage of the dose or reduction in dose, increased viability of poorly water soluble drugs, personalized nanomedicine application for cancer therapy, challenges in regulatory approval and large scale manufacturing. So, green chemistry in drug manufacturing, importance of sustainable drug synthesis methods, reducing hazardous solvents and waste, use of biocatalysts of greener synthesis, regulatory incentives for eco-friendly practices, industry adoption of green pharmaceutical manufacturing. So these are the advantages what we have in this. So industry academia collaboration in drug development. Universities driving basic research and innovation. See, though the industry does in a big scale, but the basic research is always with the academician. So the basic you can take, you have many examples uh, like that where the basic research was done. In case of IT and other areas also, we can see the basic research was initially with the academician and later on it becomes big. So industry providing funding and commercialization expertise, joint research projects bridging knowledge gaps. Always see nowadays if you take any research funding agency or anyone who is sponsoring the research, nowadays there's always the expectation of a multidisciplinary research or a joint research projects. They expect a lot of such kind of proposals by all the funding agencies. So it is always preferred to have a joint research project bridging knowledge gaps. Need for government incentives for partnerships. Successful case studies of academia and industry collaborations. Future trends in drug discovery and development. Artificial intelligence driven autonomous drug design, reducing time and cost. So this is proven. The best example is the COVID vaccine, where generally in previous years, the previous days, it takes 10 years to 15 years. But now, due to this artificial intelligence and machine learning and other advanced technologies, we could able to produce a vaccine within a year time. So expansion of personalized medicine based on genetic data, increased use of organ on a chip models for better predictions, blockchain technology of data security in clinical trials, global regulatory organization for faster approvals. So, so these are some of the innovations in drug regulation as we discussed. Now, I would like to conclude from what I have presented. So drug discovery faces multiple challenges, but innovation is driving a change. So this drug discovery is a challenging yet process for addressing unmet medical needs. Artificial intelligence, nanotechnology, and computational biology are revolutionized drug development. Collaboration among academia, industry, and regulators is crucial for success. Innovations in affordability and accessibility will ensure broader patient reach. So I hope, and also cost effective and sustainable solutions are the future. So I hope this FDP with many more, you had many sessions on this topic. So this FDP aims to empower researchers and faculty with cutting edge knowledge to drive the next generation of drug discovery. With this, I end my presentation. And I would like now, I would ask Sunil or Nageshwar, Rao to take over. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Delegates having any questions, please ask the sir. Delegates, any questions are there, please ask. I think there are no questions, sir. So I hereby go with the vote of thanks. So
Yeah.
good afternoon, everyone, and good afternoon, Bhaskar Reddy, sir. My name is B. Brahmaya, working as assistant professor in the Department of Pharmaceutics. It is a great honor to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of Shri Vishnu College of Pharmacy, Bhimavaram, on this 1 week online national FDP1, that is challenges and innovative solutions in the drug discovery and development. And I extend my heartfelt gratitude and special thanks to our speaker, sir, Professor Bhaskar Reddy, sir, for giving a briefing like innovations in the preclinical developments like biomarkers, CRISPR, and then innovations in the clinical trials like AI, blockchain technology, etc., etc. And then all your sharing with us, insights with us, sir. And thank you for sharing your valuable information with us, sir. A big thank to all the participants for your active participation and active engagement in the FDP. Thank you, everyone, and thank you all. Thank you once again. Thank you, Bhaskar Reddy, sir. Hereby I'm ending the section.
Dr. Brahmaya, can you switch on? Have you taken the screenshot with all your
Screenshot.
Can you open your this thing video? Can you take one screenshot?
This one, sir. This pic.
Can you switch on the video?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Is there anyone online from your faculty side?
Oh, sir. I am only one now.
Okay, now you can close.
And any photo, sir, and anything else?
You take a screenshot and
Okay,
share
sir.
it to me later. And
Okay.
also you share me the recorded, one also, okay?
This is already streaming in YouTube, sir. I will send the link, sir.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir.
I thank the Dr. Nataraj and all the management and all the organizers for giving me this opportunity. So all the best. Good luck. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.